Okay guys, after we put our low roller housing in, we need to put our snap ring in, and we want to put our snap ring just to the opposite side of your anti-clunk. So in this notch on the other side is where I'm putting it, and you want to try to hold it down and then press it down with the screwdriver. So let's try that first. I'm sticking the screwdriver in and I'm just giving a turn just slightly counterclockwise with my left hand as I put it in there, and then I'm going forward as I do this. I think that's a good, there you go. I think that's in a good position. I think that's in a good position right there. Everything's underneath it. Pushed. Snap rings in. This big tab is centered, and this is on both sides. Alright. I think I'll buy that. Hope you guys will buy that too. We got our ring all the way around, and that is the that's the first part of the lower transmission. Low reverse gears are in. Low reverse gears are in, and I can't turn it. So I hope it's okay. That's that. We'll figure it out as we go along. So if you're a noob and you haven't built one of these before and you're fixing to do it, you're gonna pretty much get the same experience I got. And when we're done, I'll give you a review on how well I think I did and if it even works. So follow, like, comment, and subscribe if you don't mind. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for coming by. Peace.